Meet the dog that ruined Napoleon's wedding night. Josephine, Napoleon's wife, was known for her love for animals. She even had a private exotic zoo. But her favorite pet was Fortuné the pug. After her glamorous wedding, Napoleon had hopes for an epic amorous night. But Fortuné had a different plan. When they entered the bedroom, they found Josephine's pug perched on the bed and would not be moved. Napoleon said angrily, "Mets ce chien hors de ma vue." But Josephine was not in the mood to be merciful. She said,
Non, il dormira avec nous, ou c'est toi qui dormiras ailleurs.
Napoleon did not take that well. He tried to chase the dog out, but the pug promptly bit him on the chin. Josephine was shocked, but hey. And Napoleon was scarred for life. He even mentioned the story in his memoirs.